Hey guys, my name is Bella TC from Daza. You're watching my channel. So for today, I create here some gardens. That is a stroller thing. You know forgotten what's the name of it? Forgotten that. So and this has 10. I forgotten where I put the boxes. Oh, yeah. So just wait, guys. That one is, this one is a strawberry shortcake. Can't remember, but it's like that. And here's the box. And there's a marker, so I just put it in the baby chocolate. You know that. Here. Here it is. Here's a color, crayons, and here's a standard. This baby chocolate comes from Japan, but my mom and dad just go there, and then they just buy me and my brothers. And here's from the Philippines. I just put standard for this. So on this, it's just like this. So can you pop your like this, and then wait. So here it is. So you need to color it first, and the second you need to pop it like that. And you need to pop it. Hey, come out. Okay. So that's for it. And there's a background on it. It has some floweries. That says strawberry, yeah. Strawberries, because it is a strawberry shortcake. So yeah, let's get start coloring. So I'm almost done here at the purple strawberry shortcake. So I'll just make it purple. So it's a new strawberry shortcake. It's a grape shortcake. Grapes fruit shortcake. Yeah. So we're just gonna need some of it. So let's pick a color. I'm gonna pick the color that I think this one. So gonna put it on here. There. So it's like a purple, or it's like a dark blue. We're done. Then I'm gonna finish it off. So I'm already done. So this is a short video, so you can see my new toys. So here's strawberry shortcake and the best friend and next best friend. Strawberry shortcake with she's cat with biting a heart. Strawberry shortcake, best friend of strawberry shortcake sitting on a cupcake. And her best friend and strawberry shortcake and another for his friend. So we can start it on. Need it. Okay, oh my god, cannot fit it. So just gonna put this on, and ta-da! So yeah, Here it is. It's standing by the home itself. Standard there, and the feet and the face. Body parts. So yeah, thanks for watching my video and stay tuned for a lot of more videos. Bye.